Hi, I'm Mofa Salami, a developer advocate at IBM, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create an IBM Cloud account in preparation for the workshops in the developer track for IBM's Think Summit London. After registering for Think Summit London, you'll be given a link to create an IBM Cloud account. Once you click on this link, you'll be taken to the following page. To log in, you'll need to create an IBM Cloud ID. You can simply log in with your email used to create your IBM ID, and then you'll be able to access your IBM Cloud account. Otherwise, you will need to click on the Create an IBM Cloud Account button on the left to create a new account. On this page, you'll be asked to enter your email address as well as your first and last name, and finally a password for your IBM Cloud account. Once you are happy with your selections, you can click on the Create Account button. If successful, the following screen should come up where you'll be informed to wait for the confirmation email to come through. Be sure to check your spam and junk mailbox for an email from IBM Cloud. Once you have this email, click on the link inside the email to confirm your account. You should now have an IBM Cloud account, which is one of the first prerequisites for running pretty much any of our hands-on workshops for developers at IBM Think Summit London. With this account, you can provision any of our light tier services completely free of charge and without providing any credit card details. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at Think Summit London.